So if you clicked on this video, you're interested in learning about the Platinum membership. I want to show you that. Everything that the members have come through the members blog, and so each morning you can go there. You also get an email that's telling you what is in there. For the Platinum members, there you have access to all the silver trades, all the gold trades, and indeed intraday trading levels. Now, who is the Platinum membership for? That is for the trader who wants to be in the fray, someone who is constantly observing the markets, loves to trade, wants to trade at the interactive level, likes the speed of intraday trading, and is able to function that way. Now, I run the room, and so every day you will see me in there. You won't see me, you'll hear my voice in there. I drive all my screens so that you can see where the buy points are, where the sell points are. I alert you to where things are moving in the charts, when you need to lift a stop, when you need to take profit. It's a step-by-step space and very fast-paced, and usually for the intermediate to advanced trader. Now, many of us come to the room and it's a bit like a fire hose because it is extremely fast-paced, interactive, and ideally set for the intermediate to advanced trader. Does that mean that you aren't able to come in there if you are not an intermediate to advanced trader? Of course not, but it's good to have some education to go along with this type of trading because it's extremely precise and it's very, very, very structured, and people need that sometimes. There's also a tremendous amount of information that you get during there. But what these links are supposed to do are give us, as traders, some trading ideas for intraday events. At the very bottom is always something that says today's live trading room webinar link, and I do drive my charts each day. We're in a webinar all of the trading day. Most all of the trading day I work until 2:30. So here's the intraday trading event. Here are those trading levels. Now, if you are the type that doesn't like to hear anybody talking over your thoughts, then this is ideal for you because you can get the intraday trading levels and just go about your business. The intraday trading levels are just set up like the gold and silver membership events. They're just much faster on the day. Same sort of thing. You have the interactive Excel spreadsheet that you can download, put your own entries in where it is that you entered. It's sort of giving you your chance to say, hey, listen, here's that trigger. I took it. Here were my results, and I followed this or I didn't follow this. All right? So when you do get that, and you pop it out, here's what this does. Now, these are for April the 11th. If you'd like to see how accurate these are before the trading day, go back to April the 11th and take a look at the levels, right? When we have breaches, we'll say long above certain levels or at the bounce off of support. That tells us, hey, listen, if we have a pullback event, it's a great place to go long. That's exactly what happened in the TF today. The long was scheduled to be 946.50, but we had a beautiful pullback into the base of 941.50. All right? And so the 941.50 event was above this, but notice, see the hard stop at 944, the short below 941.50. That's exactly, if something bounces from that level, you can take that trade right there and end up being in good shape. So when this says long above or at the bounce off support levels, you're going to go to the introductory target of the short. You're going to see if it bounces from there. If it holds the level, it means buyers supported the region and it did not fail it. Notice I say short below, not short at. Everything says long above or short below the level to trigger. And this did a great job of popping up off of that level. It did not, came down into the space, did not confirm, and so we're able to walk through that, and we can see that. We talk through these things in the trading room, but you can see how these levels work. They are excellent and very accurate most of the time. And so when they are needed to be shifted, I will say something in the trading room about it. But we look at these futures and we look at our regular high beta stock events, Apple, Google, Netflix, Baidu, and so on and so forth. We do change these on occasion if some things are really running and have room to move, like Home Depot or any of the others that we've been looking at in addition to these guys. LinkedIn, Baidu, Netflix, Amazon is on there, certainly, some of the times. We also have a space for notes. Hey, listen, you don't need to do this in the first 15 minutes. Let it confirm, and all the things that you might need to know from that perspective. Again, the Platinum membership is a membership for the trader who wants to be in the fray, who's extremely active, who wants to capture moves as they run, and they're able to move in and out of trades 2-3 times a day. This is not a crazy space where we are just going in for a couple of pennies. We do try to ride these things. For the ES, we try to ride them for a minimum of 12 ticks. For the TF, we're looking minimum of 20 ticks. And so we're going to wait for those ideal spaces, pop them off, and if there are small spaces where we go, hey, listen, you can capture about 7 or 8 here, I will give you the parameters on those. The Platinum membership is extremely interactive, and certainly for the trader who wants to be actively managing their accounts all day long.